Drowning in leads and feeling like your CRM is more of a headache than a help. Let's cut through the noise and find out if Follow Up Boss can actually rescue your real estate business, boosting profitability. First, let's peek under the hood. Follow Up Boss shines with its intuitive dashboard. Notice the smart inbox. It centralizes all your communications, so no lead slips through the cracks. The intelligent lead routing automatically assigns leads, ensuring a fast response time, which is crucial in this fast-paced market. Now, let's dive into lead management. Follow Up Boss compiles detailed lead profiles, including contact info, email history, and deal stages. This gives you a 360-degree view, allowing for personalized and effective follow-ups. What about automation? Follow Up Boss excels here to set up drip campaigns to nurture leads automatically, saving you time and effort. The task management feature keeps you organized, ensuring no important task is forgotten. Ultimately, it's about results. Follow Up Boss's reporting tools track key metrics like conversion rates and ROI, helping you measure the platform's true value. Can it justify its cost? Analyze your lead volume, sales cycle length, and the potential for increased efficiency. If you're ready to ditch the chaos and embrace a streamlined system that boosts your bottom line, Follow Up Boss might just be your secret weapon. Click the links below to explore Follow Up Boss further. Don't forget to subscribe for more real estate tech reviews.